A hillside gets a new beginning, the birth of a forest almost from scratch. The Tennessee Valley Authority has a long partnership with the UT Institute of Agriculture and now another ambitious project. Foresters and students are planting 700 red oaks on TVA's Norris Dam Reservation in Anderson County. The trees will be protected by cages a few years to keep hungry deer away.
Northern red oak is what we call a fine hardwood species, and that's one of the most valuable hardwood species. Relatively fast-growing oak, good for timber, of course good for wildlife too.
SCHLARBAUM leads UTIA's tree improvement program. Here back on the Knoxville Ag campus, the planting crew sorts the trees. Expectations are high for this crop of red oaks.
This orchard will produce acorns that will have another increment of genetic improvement, and then will be used eventually for mass reforestation in the Tennessee River Valley and also in eastern Tennessee and other associated areas.
This site has been treeless for a while now, but it has history. This area used to be covered by hardwoods and loblolly pine until about 15 years ago. Now the experts believe the red oak should thrive here. The seedlings are about a year old and come from good stock, descendants of a past orchard. Here's footage from 2011 of TVA's work with UTIA at Watauga Lake near the Cherokee National Forest in Carter County. The trees going in the ground now at Norris were from a collection of seeds from the Watauga site, first planted nearly half a century ago.
So in a way, these seedlings are coming back home to TVA.
TVA experts say their organization has a mission to replant the valley, and it won't be long before the public can enjoy this forest.
It should be, yes. It's probably going to be quite park-like once the trees get up a little bit and the canopy cover kind of closes in around that area. It'll be quite nice for probably some hiking and picnicking and that sort of thing.
A landscape can dramatically change and reappear with the right planning. And this future forest is the result of work done today and in the past. This is Charles Denney reporting.